In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF to a Mailerlite email. The first thing you need to do is upload your PDF into Mailerlite, so it's ready to use inside your campaign. Start by logging into your Mailerlite account, then go to the File Manager. Once you're there, click Upload and choose the PDF file from your computer. After that, give it a moment to finish uploading completely. Before moving on, make sure the file appears in your File Manager so you know it's available to link later. One important thing to keep in mind is that Mailerlite's file manager has a 10 megabyte file size limit, so if your PDF is too large, you'll need to reduce the file size first. Once your PDF has been uploaded, the next step is to add it to your email. Go to Campaigns, then either create a new campaign or open an existing draft. From there, choose the drag and drop editor. In your email layout, add a text block, button block, or image block wherever you want people to access the PDF. If you're using text, highlight the words you want your readers to click, then click the link icon and choose Insert File. This will open your file manager where you can select the PDF you uploaded earlier. After selecting it, save your changes. This is a useful feature because Mailerlite supports linking PDFs to text, images, and buttons, and you can do this in both the drag and drop editor and the simple editor. So if your email design changes later, you still have flexible ways to include the file. If you specifically want to add the PDF to a button, drag a button block into your email and click on it. Then click the link or URL option and choose Insert File. Select your PDF from the file manager and then update the button text so it clearly tells the reader what will happen when they click. For example, you can use text like download the PDF, get your free guide, or download now. Once that looks good, click Save. Finally, test everything before sending your campaign. Click Preview, then send yourself a test email. Open that email and click the PDF link or button to make sure it opens correctly. If possible, test it on both desktop and mobile so you can confirm the experience works well across devices. And that's how to attach a PDF to a Mailerlite email.